Okay, this is the AcuRite model 7506502. Now the AcuRite Atomic Alarm Clock with calendar and indoor temperature display automatically updates to the time signal from the U.S. Atomic Clock at Fort Collins, Colorado for split-second precision accuracy. Extra large 1 3/4" time display is very easy to see. The time and calendar are radio controlled and adjust automatically for daylight savings time. The bold, clear, easily viewed LCD clock face displays time, month, date, day of week, and indoor temperature. And what I really like about this clock is the blue backlight. Nice.